This cheesecake is loaded with matcha goodness that will satisfy your cravings. You don't need an oven for this creamy matcha cheesecake, so you can easily make this sosyal na di mahal recipe anytime you want. First, we'll crush the graham crackers using the rolling pin, but if you don't have a rolling pin, you can just use a glass. Next, let's transfer it into the bowl and add the melted butter. Just mix it properly and nicely. We can now transfer the graham into the cake molder. Then flatten it with the glass bottom. And after that, just put it into the freezer for 10 minutes. Now using a mixing bowl, let's put the cream cheese and mix it using a rubber spatula until it becomes soft. Now let's add the sugar and mix it again until the sugar is perfectly incorporated to the cheese. Then when the cream cheese is already soft and fluffy, you can set it aside. Next, let's add the unflavored gelatin to the small bowl of milk. Then we will liquefy it by placing it on top of the bowl of hot water, but mix it carefully. Then let's pour the gelatin to the cream cheese and fold it properly and set it aside. Now using the hand mixer, mix the chilled all-purpose cream until the size gets double. Then add it to the cream cheese and fold it properly. Time to prepare the matcha powder now. Just add all-purpose cream on the matcha and mix it properly. but it's better if you will use spoon. Then we'll mix it together with the cream cheese mixture. Don't worry about the lumps, it is fine. Now let's pour the mixture to the graham crust and chill it again for 10 minutes. Now for the matcha glaze, just dissolve the gelatin powder to the water. Now let's add water, sugar, and matcha powder to the saucepan and mix. Now let's place it to the stove with low fire and let it boil. Once we see it's boiling, then we can add the heavy cream. Now turn off the fire and add the unflavored gelatin mixture. Finally, we can place the matcha glaze on top of the cake. Then chill it overnight for 8 hours. After 8 hours, it's time to serve. Using a hot towel, just round it to the cake pan so we can easily remove it. Looks delicious, tastes delicious. This no-bake matcha cheesecake is so smooth and tastes divine. No wonder this is my husband's favorite. So perfect, I just can't believe it. Let us know your thoughts about this recipe. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button if you haven't yet to get updated on our latest recipes. Thanks, folks!